This is college area, nursing college, BCA, BBA college. That side cricket ground. Here group of colleges, BSc nursing, B.Ed in Gujarati, everything in Gujarati. Nursing college also, B.Ed college also. Peaceful place. This is evening time. Brahmand College of Nursing. This is a small garden. That side DLSS playground. Behind this garden there is farmhouse. Evening 6:30. This is evening 6:30. Chaparda. College. Birds are chirping. Evening time. You can walk. Very nice place. Very cool place. Evening timing will be pleasant. This is evening 6 o'clock. I walk on the grass also. Nice place. Behind this compound, farmhouses are there, village area. Very nice place. Colleges, Gujarati medium, staff quarters, Sainik school, English medium, Jai Ambe hospital, home for aged people, blind school, all are that side, this side. Very big campus.